Add 1 cup of warm water to a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of yeast, any kind. You can get it from a package or you can just buy it in bulk. Either way, it's 1 tablespoon. Allow this to stand on a warm place for about 30 minutes. In a food processor, add 1 cup of dates. We're going to add a cup of sweet potato puree. I just added a little bit of water to thin it out slightly. I'm going to add it to the food processor and mix. I'm going to pulse it slowly, and if it gets too thick, I'm going to add a little bit more water, just a teaspoon. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of walnuts. And I'm going to scrape and continue processing till it becomes this consistency. Then I'm going to set that aside and go back to my dough recipe. I'm going to add the yeast and the sugar water into a bowl. I'm going to add 1 cup of sweet potato puree or mash. I'm going to mix that together with a whisk. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of bread flour and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then I'm going to begin to knead this dough. If it's too sticky, I'm going to continue adding more bread flour until it rolls up to a soft ball. Once I'm done kneading, I'm going to allow it to proof for another hour in a warm spot. Once it's fully proofed, I'm going to knead it slightly, and then I'm going to start shaping it into the spiral shapes that it needs to be in. I'm going to roll the dough flat with a rolling pin. Then I'm going to add my paste and I'm going to smooth it out with an offset spatula all the way to the edges. I'm going to add some walnuts and some more cinnamon. Then I'm going to roll it. These also make great cinnamon rolls, but I'll have that on another recipe. We want to cut off a piece and roll that dough together, allowing all the good stuff to stay inside. And then we're going to roll it into a spiral shape. And we're going to do that with 2 pieces. And we're going to spiral them together the best that we can. Allow them to proof for another 30 minutes. I'm going to add some maple syrup and some almonds. Bake at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add some cinnamon and enjoy these delicious sweetbreads with your coffee or hot chocolate. And there you have it, friends, a delicious whole food plant-based vegan healthy recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.